desk all cleared off. Because today I'm going to be chopping my squishy. And I got this squishy at Gettyland, and it's a water snake. And all I need to do is get my scissors, and I'll be right back. Cheesies. And let's cut open the squisher. Turn the camera so you guys can see me. Got the squishy. Got a cup here so we don't make a mess. It's gonna be epic. So I'm gonna do what Bubble Pop Kids does. Do the pinch corner. Never really cut a squishy, so I know there's something like water in there, so it's like blue water. It is blue water. Let's get all that out. I want to get on my Oreo cookies. I will kill you if you don't. Okay. That is crazy. But all we had in there was, here guys, I'll show you. Oh my gosh. That was in the squishy. That is crazy. I will have more squishies on one of my next episodes, but oh my gosh, here, let's try to get these little things out. Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought it was just like clear water. That just the wrapper gave it that illusion to make it look like it was. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys, this is just, oh my gosh, it's blowing my mind. Okay, these things are like squishy, kinda. Got this stretchy plastic. It's just still blowing my mind. Okay, Bubble Pop Kids does this. Hers is never this amazing. Actually, she's opened the water snake before. It's like a stretchy rubber. These aren't squishy. Just, oh my glob. Yeah, this is awesome. So this is what it's like for people who get open squishies. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Boom.